Welcome back to Crypto Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to talk about Ripple, or also known as XRP, and I'm really pumped about it. But firstly, thank you very much for watching my previous videos. I really appreciate it, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash up that like button. And as well, if you would like to stay up to date about all the crypto news and about all my posts in the near future, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So I will start right away by looking at the XRP chart compared to the US dollar on the 4-hourly time frame. And what you can see right away is that XRP took a dump today, but it wasn't a big and huge dump like other coins as we saw on Bitcoin, because unfortunately today we had a huge dump. I wasn't expecting it. I do not think anyone was expecting it. So let's look forward and let's look at coins like XRP or even like Polkadot that are still performing really well. And as well, we must not forget Cardano is also performing very well on today's chart. So it is just amazing. There is a pattern playing itself out, and that's actually this symmetrical triangle that we can see over here. I will be placing the trend lines, just 1 second. Yes, and as you can see, this symmetrical triangle is playing itself out on the XRP chart. And I think this is just wonderful news, because a symmetrical triangle is a pattern that follows the previous trend. And what we have seen lately on the XRP chart is just a huge run up towards an all-time high right over here on XRP, or well, the latest all-time high. And it's just absolutely amazing. And on this upward sloping resistance line, we already have 3 touch points, as you can see, where XRP touched with this downward sloping resistance line. And I think this is just very significant, but because how more touch points there are in a pattern, how more significant this pattern will be. And we have already seen 3 touch points on the upward sloping support line, and we saw as well 2 touch points on the downwards sloping resistance line of the symmetrical triangle. So let's take a look at XRP, and what I'm looking at currently is actually the level where XRP found support on today's chart, and that's actually right over here on this level. It's actually a crossover of a level of previous support and as well the upward sloping support line of the symmetrical triangle. So that's really important that XRP found support at this level, and that's approximately at $1.25. So amazing that XRP did not break out of this pattern, and that's why I think that we will be seeing a move towards the upside and that the move will be inevitable. So how will this move probably look like? That will be something actually like this. We will see XRP breaking through this downward sloping resistance, going just above it, and afterwards I am personally waiting for a confirmation of XRP by dropping down towards this level at the orange line. This is a level of previous resistance, and finding support on this level over here. And if it does so, it would be finding support at $1.62, and after that we will be seeing a huge wick towards the upside being created on the XRP chart. That's my personal opinion, of course, but God, we can't not deny it. It's just a very bullish pattern, and of course we are once again seeing every time new higher lows being created on this upward sloping support line. And I think this is just really interesting. And if XRP does not find support on the orange line, where I'm waiting for is that XRP will find support on the downward sloping resistance, and that this resistance will become support. And after XRP does so, we will be seeing a huge pump towards the upside, where I've been waiting for quite a while now. And as you can see, I placed the measurement by selecting the highest point on the symmetrical triangle and going straight down towards the upward sloping support line. And what you can see right away is that it will be a huge move, a very significant move if you ask me, on the XRP chart. And this move will be probably around 64.8%, so almost 65%, and that would be an amazing run up for XRP, heading towards the $2.55, and that's just a really steady and big price target for XRP. And it's not if this pattern will break out, it is when this pattern will break out, and that's just very important about it. The XRP chart looks very bullish, and as well, I'm going to enable the relative strength index, and what you're seeing on the relative strength index is, for me as well, something where I'm personally looking at, and that's if you look at the purple box where the relative strength index most of the time bounces in between these two dotted lines. You can see that once it breaks above the dotted line, above the purple box, this means that XRP at those particular moments is very oversold, and that's why we also saw a trend reversal towards the downside on the RSI, but as well on the chart. And what I'm looking at right now is actually something very interesting, and that's that on the RSI we are currently at the lowest point on the RSI. We are not underneath the purple box, but yet we are still very low on the RSI. A huge pump out of the purple box on the RSI would be very possible, especially because right now we are waiting right over here on the lowest point, and as well we found support on this upward sloping support line and on previous levels of support. So that's just really amazing to me, and that's why I think that this 35% move towards the upside will be inevitable on the XRP chart. And that's also why I will be looking at the XRP compared to Bitcoin chart. And what we're seeing here on the XRP compared to Bitcoin chart, if you ask me, is something even more significant, and that's actually an ascending triangle that I will be drawing for you so you can take a look at it as well. And this ascending triangle is just something absolutely amazing for XRP, because this ascending triangle is a pattern that tends to break out towards the upside, especially if the previous trend was an uptrend as well. And as we already know, but I will show you once again, the previous trend was an uptrend, as you can see, and that's why I personally think that we will see XRP heading towards huge levels in the near future. And as well on this chart, on the 4-hourly chart compared to Bitcoin, once again we are seeing 3 touch points on the upward sloping support line, and that's just something really amazing to me. Once it breaks out, we will see once again approximately 35% move towards the upside, and that is just something really amazing. And I will show you what as well by placing the Fibonacci retracement where we could be heading towards, and I will be zooming in for all of you. And what we're currently seeing is XRP is right now trading on the upward sloping support line of this ascending triangle, and where I'm personally waiting for is for XRP to break through this level of resistance and finding support on this previous level of resistance. And after this confirmation, I am absolutely sure that we will be seeing a huge move and momentum towards the upside on XRP being created. And if it does so, we will be heading towards the 1.618 Fibonacci level, and that is approximately the same level as I showed you before on the XRP compared to the US dollar chart. But I think very important to know is that right now we are looking very steady on the XRP chart, and that it's very probable that XRP will break out towards the new all-time highs. And I think that's just really incredible. And what I wanted to show you as well, I think it's just amazing, and I will be placing this a little bit higher to show you, is the MACD. The MACD is looking absolutely bullish to me, because right now, after this drop on the current chart, we saw that the momentum switched towards a downwards momentum on the MACD, but right now that momentum is being, I personally think, will be taken over by this huge upward momentum towards new all-time highs. And once it does so, we will be seeing also on the MACD, after this crossover, there will still be a period of downward momentum, but when the crossover happens once again, I think we will be seeing a huge move pushing the price of XRP even higher than what we are seeing at this certain moment. So I'm personally waiting for the confirmation on this horizontal resistance line on the Bitcoin compared to XRP chart, but as well I'm watching the XRP compared to US dollar chart very closely at any given time. I will be right now just removing the Fibonacci retracement level and going to the daily candles. And on the daily candles, as you can see, still the same pattern is playing itself out, and it's just absolutely amazing to see that XRP has, even on the daily candles, still 3 touch points on this upward sloping support line of this ascending triangle. And this is incredible news, because we will be seeing a new all-time being created on the XRP chart, especially as I showed you before as well, due to the MACD, where we will be seeing shortly upward momentum being created, but as well on the relative strength index, where we are down below at the purple box as I showed you before in this video. So guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update as well about XRP news, and what we are seeing is that XRP is back on the Famex crypto exchange, and this is amazing, wonderful news. I was personally waiting for this. Yes, that's right. Due to the popular demand of crypto trading enthusiasts, Famex reconsidered its position regarding the XRP controversy and decided to lift the ban. So I'm very pumped about this. I think it's wonderful news. It will be able to trade with even 20x leverage on Famex. If you are interested on leverage trading on Famex, I use Famex as well. You can use my link down below underneath this video to just make your personal account on Famex and start trading right away. And what I wanted to let you know as well, that if you're interested in XRP but you would like to trade also with other types of tokens or just buy those on the Famex platform, it is possible, because they listed not just XRP, they also listed Basic Attention Token, Chillix, Decentraland, Engine Coin, SushiSwap, and many more. So don't forget to make your Famex accounts if you don't already have one, and you could use the link down below on this video. Of course, I really hoped you enjoyed this video once again about XRP and how good it's looking for the moment. If you did so, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. And right now, I will give you a heads up. Goodbye.